Hey everyone, Kyle Lewis here from the Worship Keyboard Tutorial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a nice flow in worship. So whether you're doing a transition between songs, or playing an interlude, or maybe you're just playing background music while people are talking or praying, I'm going to show you one simple trick that sounds beautiful and is super easy. So let's jump in. So we're going to start in the key of C, but you can use this in any key that you're playing in. So in the right hand, instead of just playing a basic C chord, we're going to play what's called a sus2 chord. So that's the 1, the 2, and the 5 of the C chord. And in the left hand, I'm just doing a C, G, C. So that would sound like this. Sounds pretty nice just by itself, right? But we're going to go 1 or 2 cycles and then we're going to go up to F. But instead of switching to our F chord in the right hand, we're just going to keep that same chord, the C sus chord, C, D, G, and use the F in the left hand. It's going to sound like this. So it sounds a little bit different than playing just a regular F chord, but it has a nice flow to it. So we'll play 2 cycles of the C to the F and then back to the C. Now you can keep cycling through that over and over again, but if you get through so many cycles, you might want to switch things up. So now you can actually move to the A, which in the key of C is the 6th chord. You're going to keep the same right hand position and just move to that A. Then you can move down to the F, back to C. So let me play a full cycle for you from the C to the F to the A to the F and back to the C. And there you have it. Well, I hope this was helpful for you, and if you got some benefit out of this, would you hit that like button and consider subscribing to this channel? You can also financially support us by clicking the Patreon link in the description box below. And before you sign off, make sure to check out some of these other videos. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.